covered myself because today is weather very cold, so that's why I covered myself with a shawl, because it's going on winter season. So students, you also take care of yourself at home. Cover yourself with shawl, jacket and gloves and socks. So this is our class of pre-nursery. I am from Oxford Naval School. So welcome to our class. This is our maths class. In the maths class we have a new topic of maths. So this is our mango table. The color of this mat is what color is this? It's red. The color of this mat is red. So welcome to the topic and come again. So in the maths class, our today's topic is revised session. We have done these topics, but we are going to revise that shapes. Okay. So there are some shapes. Some ones are 2D, we can say, and some ones are 3D. Some ones are solids and some ones are flats. Means that these shapes are solids 3D and these shapes are flats, that's called 2D. So today's topic is from square. Square. This shape name is square. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 corners and 4 angles. So it's look like a window, door. No, not a door, just like window. It has 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners. As 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners. So its 3D shape is like this. It look like a box. So its name is cube. This is square. It's a flat and this is solid. So both are same from in front, but it doesn't have another sides. But cube has 4 corners sides like this. It looks like a box. So this one is called square and this one is called cube. So there is many squares on the table like this. So find out a square shape if you have in front of you. So come to the next topic, and the next topic is like the second one is, first one was square like this. When we put the square with the rectangle, so both are same, but square rectangle is we can say rectangle is big than square. So this is square and this is rectangle. It look like a door. It look like a window. It has also 4 sides and 4 corners and angles, but it's large from square. And its 3D look. Its 3D look is like this. We call it cuboid. So both are look like same and both are also look like same. This is called square and this is called rectangle.